So if you didn't know, my name's Aquila, and for this channel, I'm filming beauty videos, vlogs, and just lifestyle. So for today's video, I thought I'd film a video of me getting ready for the day, which I've already did my eyebrows off camera and I've already primed my eyelids. I'm not really doing much for the makeup look, just something simple, but I will show the steps of what else I'm doing. So now I'm going to contour, I guess you could say bronze. God, there's something in my eye. I could bronze my face, so I'm going to be using this angled e.l.f. bronzing brush, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It. It's really dirty. But I'm just going to put that there, rub it across my forehead, down to my cheeks. And I just got a new ring light too, so I'm hoping everything turns out good. Right, so now I'm going to contour my nose. If I can find the brush that I use. I should have had all this stuff already set out, but it's okay. Can't find my brush. I guess we'll just use this one. We'll just use this brush. And I'm taking the Sleek makeup palette, which is also really dirty, and I'm going to contour my nose. All right, now I'm going to spray my brush. I would go put some water on it, but I don't feel like going up and getting up, so I'm just gonna spray it down. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and just dab it right into my nose. Alright, now since that's done, I'm going to move on to highlighter. I like to do my face first before I do my eyes, because if I do like highlighter and contour last, it's gonna get all over my eyelids. So yeah, so I'm gonna take this brush, and I got this in an Ipsy bag, and I'm going to take, what highlighter do I want to use? I'm gonna take this highlighter. And I'm going to take the Mary Lou highlighter. Oh crap. Oh crap. You know what? I'm gonna do blush first. And I'm gonna take the Milani blush. It's really pretty. And this brush, I don't know, I got it off Amazon. Take the highlighter. Also taking the blush and putting it on my nose because I think that's cute. So now for the eyes, I'm just going to take probably just a brown color from my James Charles palette and just put that all over my eyes because I'm not going for something too extravagant, just something simple. I'm just gonna dab that all on my lid. just to give it some color. And usually I would do a winged liner, which I still might, I don't know yet. But I'm gonna take the Jesse's Girl and just make a line. Just gonna do a line, I'm not gonna do a wing liner today. Like I said, I just want this look to be simple, but I'm gonna put a pop in the lips because I'm gonna do red lipstick. And see, I'm just doing a simple line. Oh no. I hate when that happens. I don't even know how I'm gonna cover that because this is not dark enough. Okay, we're just gonna work it with it. Now my eyes watering. So there's that. You can tell I have that. It's okay. It's okay, everything's fine. So now I am just going to curl my lashes with my nasty curler, that I need to get a new one. Also, I'm going to show you guys what I used for my eyebrows. So I just used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. And then I put this tinted brow gel over it from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one's in Espresso. And then to carve out my brows and for concealer, I use the NYX Dark Circle Concealer Corrector. And yeah. But I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Ouch. And then I'm going to use the Eyelure X Thalia lashes. And there went some glue. I don't like using the glue that's in there though, it smells like crap. So I'm going to be using my own glue wherever it's at. I don't know if I'm going blind. Oh, there it is, okay. So I'm going to take these lashes and I'm going to get that. These ones always make me nervous. I think I'm gonna rip off a little section of it. Which I am going to be taking some scissors, if I have any in here. I don't think I'll have any scissors in here. Okay, so I noticed in the last video, or the last clip, that it stopped when I was getting ready to put on my eyelashes. So all I did was cut the eyelashes with some scissors to make them fit on my eyes. And then I glued them on, you know, did all that. And then I put on this lipstick, and the lipstick is from Copycat, and it's called Go To, and it's an 09. It just looks like that. And I also used a lip liner, which was way too light for it, but it's the Rimmel Lasting Finish one. And that was all I did.